So, Oga will say, how you see the Victor Osimhen transfer matter all through the transfer window? Transfer window don't close now. Napoli don't convert Sam from the Serie A squad list. How you see the way that they treat a player will help them win their first league title for over 33 years? How you see the matter?
For me, they very terrible, very bad. In the sense that now world class player first, and I see Osimhen as a superhero for Napoli. But I remember when they went out that Scudetto, their fans, newborn babies for school, they say they do something. So they do cake, they put Osimhen that in mask where they wear. Some fans they come and wear that in mask. So I just feel say
Some they would about in hairstyle.
yes, they wear masks. But I'm one of the first time when me I see white celebrate black from Africa like that for a long time. You understand? So I just feel say they treat am very bad. So the transfer issue from Napoli end is very bad. Why from Chelsea na wicked business? Very devilish business. That's why it's been a Chelsea fan. That business na slavery business now. At least Osimhen is different from Joao Felix or any other person in the sense that the Felix they don't get club. Napoli no ready to Atletico Madrid ready to let you go, but no club dey come for them. Baka no agree retain am. So Felix fit cut him pay to come to Chelsea, and that name he hype wey he get as at when they think about that contract, he no get am again. So I feel say Felix no dey different, or that player wey call am salary no dey different. But for a player like Osimhen, the situation is very bad. The Chelsea business plan for Osimhen dey very bad, and also Napoli himself very bad. I don't see why you stop Osimhen from going to Arab.
Saudi Arabia.
Yes, when Saudi Arabia agree to pay the fee direct, they come now later hours now you dey add another 5 million plus £5 million euro on top of the price. You understand? So I think this thing na Chelsea, these Chelsea owners they are very devilish. They are businessmen wey dey play devilish game. So I hope you say that and I play this game wey dey affect Osimhen at the end. But at the end too, I happy to not still come Chelsea. Make they collect salary where they dey pay am for Napoli like that. Sarah Hit no fit get money. When they pay am reach December, they go know say they go feel something.
They go hear am too.
They go hear am too. And I feel say Osimhen, if they say even submit a contract based on mutual agreement, clubs they will go need the service.
They go line up.
Yes, so I feel say na great decision he make not to have come to Chelsea, but poor decision from Napoli. But we don't say because we Chelsea fans say no come our team because they lambasta. No, if na me born Osimhen for example now, my son dey earn better money for somewhere. Because he wan go another club because he come cut am half when he dey in his prime. Nothing like 32, 33 years. Most of that kind of time your prime dey diminish. But now you dey on your peak. Work like striker. When you come like fourth striker of the world, so many diamond top 4 in the world. Because time you go come. And so they treat Haaland. And so they treat Haaland. And so they treat Mbappe. And so they treat other players. Mbappe himself, Saudi directors come. French president said, let's down. Say what it matter. And I decide say, see na yeah, I won't go. Let am go. But they want you to see me like say not reach anything. And I pick for that decision, yes.
So Oga Ope, make I ask you about the Victor Osimhen transfer saga and wetin dey happen to am now. How Napoli dey treat am, comot am for inside their Serie A squad list. How you see this matter and how Napoli dey handle a player wey contribute, give them their first Scudetto, their first league title for 33 years. How you see the way that they treat Victor Osimhen now?
Osimhen one, na black player, na African player. The sentiments more there. Now our African best player, as it stands for now, the current best African player na MBO Victor Osimhen. Then again, the other way around, wetin dey happen to Osimhen, no Osimhen with him agent use their hand contribute to wetin dey happen to them. Abobi, you don't see say the club where they play, no want you again. So wetin you dey there, they say they stand by the big money where you say you dey receive. For that, say any club wey must sign you must cover such huge amount of money. And they don't tell you, say, guy, you know there for our plan. So there's every tendency, Abra, reduce your wage. Maybe people will go sign you. Now you don't dey go catch bench. Club don't tell you, say, you know their plan. The coach will come, don't tell you, say, you know their plan. You did the team. They don't remove your jersey. Give the person where they sign to come replace you.
Be like Lukaku reject am, we are not by level.
Okay, Lukaku reject am, taken by level. Good, but now the same Lukaku, now they go play that wing when they play. So for now, he no get anything to offer to Napoli, and Napoli no get anything. Unless say Napoli go turn to dog wey go vomit something come dey go chop wetin dey vomit say maybe Lukaku no dey deliver they go say they get another player wey be say they reject say make we call am back. That is the only way Osimhen go fit. If not, as Osimhen dey that place im career now don dey fall. Osimhen career don dey fall. You say you no wan go Saudi Arabia and you no wan reduce your wages. Sancho reduce im wages to come to Chelsea. Joao Felix reduce im wages to come. Pedro Neto also assistance the way the team be. So why you, as Victor Osimhen, when they don't already tell you? Now our coach tell Raheem Sterling, you know there for my team. He dey open, he tell am pump and play. Say he know wetin good for am. Say he no go fit advise am on what to do. At the end of the day, for the deadline day, the young man move to Arsenal. So why you no cut that your wages to make sure say he go see football play? If he enter Chelsea, go play. Now they don't qualify for the Conference League. He go play for the conference and you step up your game. The club wey no wan come for you based on say your current team they reject you. With wetin you dey play now, say you come Chelsea. And the club make am open to am. Say if you come, if your profile rise, say that thing wey you dey claim say na you be, you want am. We go give you wetin dey find. And if other club come,
Oga Hope, you not check am say Chelsea not the Champions League. Why him go reduce the money, come play for Chelsea?
and na wetin make him suppose to reduce him money because Chelsea no dey Champions League and Chelsea no fit cover that money to pay am. If na where Chelsea get Champions League with the with the showing rights of the matches and the sponsors,
Champions League money.
but that Champions League money, you go not say Chelsea go fit cover to pay you, but now you no dey. So where it is say money go fit dey come for the club, even to get sponsor for their front jersey, they no get. So where the sponsor come, where you won't get the money, the people don't exalt the money from Roman Abramovich. Now that their money and the mistake what they make for the 2 window signings, don't they affect them? So they won't correct their mistakes for the past. So you yourself suppose calm down, knowing fully well say you're a potential and a very good striker. If you calm down, reduce your wage, go. Then see what thing will happen for the first season where you take go. They say for loan, you as a big player, you don't big pass for that loan. Now what you make you say you don't want any loan contract. Fine, I understand with you. But when you say deadline day, nobody they come for you again. You don't get where to go again. Chelsea did there. Bro, if you swallow your pride, then your agent no help him. Guy come on. This is now your career, you take the place. So I go let you know, say, accept the offer which Chelsea they give you. Go first. Then for subsequent time, we go know how the thing go. Osimhen for listen to them. If I say the agent tell them this thing, there is no how. Osimhen for no.
So, Oga Austin, I want to ask you about the Osimhen transfer matter. We hear Osimhen name, throughout the transfer window. Now transfer window don't close. Napoli comot am for the Serie A squad. How you see the treatment to Victor Osimhen and how you see the way this transfer saga take play out all through the transfer window before it close down?
I don't get much to talk. I don't know which problem we get with Napoli before they remove her from their squad. But since she don't that way, they don't remove you from the team.
They don't tell you before time, say they
don't need you again. And sadly, they call for you. Chelsea, they call for you. I expect them to go one of those clubs. But I don't expect her to come Chelsea. Even me, I don't like them to come Chelsea because it might come flop at the end. Everybody go say that we cause them. But this for take that Saudi offer, very good offer for me. The football now money everybody dey follow. Even those wey wan sign you na business they usually do. So you yourself you go gats hold your ground, collect your money, and as he decide to say he no wan touch his salary, make salary remain like that, I no blame am at all. I no blame am. He make him stand on the word. Even but where I come take vex on na when he no make move to any of those two clubs. Even I dey see online brand dey
but you know say last Napoli can increase wetin they ask from the Saudi Arabia club by 5 million. They can add 5 million last for inside the money for later one.
Me I no blame Saudi for that one. My own na Osimhen na just dey consign.
Yes, that be your main concern.
Yes, that be my concern. At least when the defense dey come up to say he agree, at least Napoli for no increase the fee. So he never agree, they draw back, and all those that 5 million when they can go add join. And they say as long as na wetin Chelsea dey don do for back, they feel say maybe Osimhen go change mind come Chelsea. So e fuck up for that one. If dem blind dey advise am to go. I no see why you go see that huge amount of money. You go say you wan still remain for Napoli, you no wan dey play ball. What is the aim? The thing na money everybody dey use am dey do na business. So for me, I vex for am well well. If na my brother sef I no go enter I go fit do, but I go blame am well well say why you no take make this move.
So that Clinton, make I ask you about the Victor Osimhen now because I asked you during the transfer period. You talk say if Chelsea no sign am, it go pain you. How your body do you say Chelsea don't fit sign African Footballer of the Year Victor Osimhen?
Well, I don't go lie, Sha. When I did, I think that towards around 6 to 7 in the evening, I tell one of my guys, say, what's going on? I just never see reach agreement to Osimhen. Time they go. Close to 11 o'clock or here, transfer window don't end. You say more they look. I can look and say the side which is the Ahli, what they call. They don't come, yes, they don't say about. I can say okay, fine, there's hope. Chelsea can get him. During 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I can check Fabrizio page. I can say what's going on now. Chelsea go. I could just look till 10:30 now. Say no. I say I'm not sure Chelsea go fit get this guy because the way things that they go so. All of a sudden, boom, the news just come say Chelsea off Osimhen. I want to say, so what's going on? So this guy, not gonna later come. So when I got the later they look, Chelsea table about 1:30 or so, this and that. Then they got to they bring another final offer come. All those ones. So because they not actually review the final offer, say where they bring come and all that. Because normally the man don't make it clear before say I need the actual amount I dey collect for Napoli. Chelsea they don't know. Yes, he say one dime to even say if now even $1, it's saying they come out. So like what you would talk at time. This is a new owner with new idea, policy, and all that. Because now I make you say get issue with the Sheikh and so many people them when they come up for the club. Yes. So I don't look at say the two side. Like what you told the two side. I think the two side there you blame the two side because Chelsea know say this man say he no go reduce the money. And Osimhen now thought maybe Chelsea don't give out. Say no worry, what will come for the final day? Because I read those measures on they say the final day. Nine yes, now Chelsea go take do everything possible to sign am. And true, that final day, now they take conclude everything. So to me, I don't just know because like everything we always talk. If at the time of the Roman Abramovich, definitely forget him. We they get, but this Chelsea owners they now I don't know how I want put on. They just the club they don't take and say now business when they run and they go. They don't care about trophies and all that. This and that because normally we actually need them. We actually need them because I look and say. It was Osimhen normally, he no want reduce the money. Now where he stand and he stand. Because if you put that in the way, say, what let me just say somehow, now your own decision, maybe not due to the agent only get. Because if you look at it one way around, now two options. You see that I just pick that Saudi Arabia, yes, go to that side, chop the money, then from there I know how my career will take be. Because this one now only called stay. Napoli now, because when he call even stay, Napoli now wipe and come out for everything that concerning them. You know, they any of the.
How do you see that treatment from Napoli now?
No, it's wrong. I mean, no, because Napoli they be getting very
For
bad.
a player will win Scudetto for you. You understand? After about 33 years, they never feel win the Scudetto. The player will score highest goal scorer for you. And to me, I think say now be even the most valuable player that season for them. But they give Kvaratskhelia. You think say this decision when they give Osimhen now the right decision and the right way Napoli they handle the matter?
No, it's the wrong way. It's the wrong way. They be team Napoli. They be team. They just be like a club. Will be say. I want to say, my author say, it's now going to be discipline to me. They just they don't care. Even though say you don't use the win that couple, the Italian couple, no matter what you do, they don't care because they don't want to so many players. More come Africa aside, they don't want to so many. I don't forget many of the players them. Many of them, all the Ansik, I was the one of those guys there. The Mentis, many of them, they go put you for there, they will finish your career for you for there, this and that. Then you'll go, you don't get any value again and all that. So, what I just say, they bad for save is Osimhen. To me, even at that, say fine. We know say you need that money because football normally now for the money. Normally, you get it. Still get if it comes Chelsea before, it's not be seen as still bad because as far as you say that you love the club, you can still take pay cuts. You can still take pay cuts. For example, to come the club because so many players don't do them. All those. I mean, just sit there and say, he agent, he not get better agent because I think. He has been clear from the right they won't say he not go reduce. and he not say he give these people condition say they must put buyback clause for am. These people now put am, increase the money, everything, but you see they weigh am because Osimhen is still young now. If you go to that side now, I don't go lie. If you go to that side from there, career at the end. Because the reason why I talk like that is that he's 25 years. You going to that side now, say now 2 to 3 or 4 years. If you play that kind of years for them now, when you come now, when they won't sign you now, your market value must drop, which is very certain. So that means you can say, no matter how he be before, he could just comot that ego. Because the way I just say, I look at say he get ego normally. All those because he don't turn up, he won't look at say he won't show Napoli because he not getting anything to lose. He's going January. Napoli, you see they on that contract with Napoli, they go still pay him. So that means you look and say, if Chelsea, if you look and say, since Chelsea not be paying that money, there's no need. Make it Napoli, make it just they would not play, just did there. So far they will pay him money. So his own decision, sha. So any IB, we wish her all the best, sha. So more just say without January because I not say from January now. Any club where they come from, and they will go they give them their own terms to get them. So let's just see, sha. But I don't wish her all the best, sha. Though you pay me, so we'll not get them. But any IB are good. So we'll see how it go be, sha.